Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mitch. I actually just revived my channel, so I'm back with more content and hoping I'll be able to continue and grow my channel. I stopped for a while just because I'm so busy at home and work and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm here. I'm back reacting to random stuff on YouTube. Kaya yun, sana supportahan niyo ako. This is my second video. I reacted to the first video, which is Singing by Dianella and JR. So I hope you guys check that out as well. But for today's video, we are going to be reacting on Binny. Yeah, this one is from Character Media. Binny finishes the lyrics to iconic female pop songs, and that is complete the chorus. So, I'm pretty sure parang chaos na naman to kasi ang gulo nila pag magkasama sila. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's see. Let's start.
You can do this. I believe in you and your powers. We trained for many years for you to do this.
Nagtabi pa silang dalawa.
You raised your hand. No, Mika was like, I was like,
Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Sheena.
hi, I'm Maloy.
It's Joanna.
Hi, I'm Mika.
Hey, it's Aya. I'm Colette.
I'm Gwen.
I'm
Ganda
Stacy.
ni Aya.
And we are Beanie. And you're watching Character Media.
What's up, guys? We're going to play
Complete the chorus.
Joanna.
What's your group name? Group 1.
Group 1.
We're the Group A.
Group A.
How about us? Group B.
Nag-isipan.
Why B? Why B?
Because you're a to B.
Oh, a B. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Let's start.
That's how they're gonna do it.
After. Disqualified. We're gonna answer. You complete the chorus first. Sing it. Go.
Cause the player's gonna play, and the haters gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. I shake it up.
Wow.
It's shaken off by
Taylor Swift. Okay, trial round.
Don't fight us.
Such
a difference.
Mm.
No, you answer it.
We'll give it to you. It's your time to shine.
6, 7, go. Hello from the other side.
She said hi.
Hi from the other side.
Let's support them.
To tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done, but I don't know.
That's why she's not a group. Disqualified.
Okay, hello, bye.
Perfect.
That's 2 points for Team B.
Next one.
That's so funny.
Go for it.
Maloy is so cute.
You know that.
I know.
You can do this. I believe in you and your powers. We trained for many years for you to do this. You raised your hand.
No, Mika was like,
I was like,
Nakakatawa si Sheen. Alam mo yung classic Pinoy na pag nagtaas ng kamay, tatakpan yung kilikili. Nakakatawa.
I was raising her hand. 5, 6.
yeah, gotta work. We don't go again na, hello? 1 to 5, 6. Work. And you gotta go to work. And I'm gonna go to work. Work. Joanna, that's your jam.
You gotta go.
Yeah, you go.
You don't gotta go.
Oh.
That's what we were saying. Also, no one got it? No one gotta go to
But I
work.
gotta go to work. But I gotta go to work.
No one will go to work.
Work from home.
I don't dance, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now,
I know this.
don't put you, I'm a
Let me just go back there. Um, ang tawag dito, sobrang, I don't know if you guys know, but Joanna also dances so good. Like, gusto ko yung mga pitik nung dance niya. I mean, Sheena, of course, is the dancer of the group. Pero, iba yung dating ni Joanna. Napanood niyo ba yung, napanood niyo ba yung sayaw nila ng Lagabog? Yung fan cam na kay Joanna lang. Grabe, ang lakas ng dating. Wala lang. Angas lang. But, kaya ako nasabi kasi, akala ko sasayaw siya dito, pero yung forma niya nakakatawa.
I don't dance, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now, don't put you, I'm a boss to a record. I make bloody moves. Now she say,
Gonna do what I who. Let's find out and see. You know where I'm at. You know how I be. Win the club. I can pay the bills. Bodak Yellow by Cardi B.
Okay, next one.
Halika na! Guys, sige naman na. What's that song? Sige na.
We'll give it to you. Pang princess. Yung pang princess na yung taas ng kamay ang princess, ha?
Thank you. Next. Thank you. I'm so grateful for my ex. Ariana Grande featuring Stacey. Thank you,
Featuring
next.
Stacey.
Thank you.
Wait, what was this part? I did not see that.
Oh, I love that song.
Go in.
Alam.
Wow, you know. Billy Joanna. Billy Joanna.
There's no lyrics. Bad guy by Billie Eilish.
Oh, they're winning.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah. Oh, we're doing it.
Iba mo yan.
Ang dami.
Yeah. How you like that? You like that?
Of course, they know this.
It was at this moment that she knew. She f***ed up.
Bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. How you like that? By Blackpink.
It's okay. Yeah. The joke is
So
okay.
cute.
joke is
Not fun.
Oh my god.
we have 4 songs left, so it's still anyone's game. Here's the next one.
Bilisan mo taas ang kamay.
Yeah, today I drove through the summer.
Naku.
How could I ever love someone?
Five, six, seven, go. I know we were perfect, but
Sumali ka.
I never felt this way.
She doesn't know the lyrics.
For no one.
Point 3. Only point
And
3.
I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. I guess you didn't mean what you wrote in the song about me.
Siya sasagot ng title.
Last time. Okay, Joanna will answer. I drive alone past your streets.
Driver's license by Olivia
You're gagging up on Joanna.
Dino by New Jeans. I got What's the Korean ano?
Wait, what's
Hindi,
mali, wrong.
What's the pickup?
One more time, but it is Ditto by New Jeans.
우리 심장 But I don't want to stay in the middle like you will. Down in the middle, I need to see it, but don't say a ditto. That's right.
Do you?
Half of you want half?
I'm sorry. Are they blending? Nakakatawa.
1.5 here and then half.
Because we
Sige,
heard the
basta
right
kami.
one with the lyrics.
Okay,
Let's
we're
sing
gonna
to when they answer, so you can get half.
Okay, 2 more songs. Here's the next one.
Oh my god, Aya is so pretty. Oh my god, Aya is so pretty there. Nasaan na yun? There. Oh my god.
Wow! 5, 6, 7, go! I can buy myself flowers.
I'm gonna sing so we have a point.
Okay. Write my name in the sand.
Maloy.
Myself for hours.
Maloy is so desperate.
You don't understand. I can take us so crazy. I can hold my head and I can love me better than you can. Okay, half points. Thank you.
Flowers by Miley Cyrus.
Flowers by Hannah Montana. Guys, it's the one who raised their hand for it. Okay.
This is the very last
Song
song.
natin.
Ano yan?
That song.
Lagi?
It's your birthday on repeat. Birthday on repeat. Let's all sing together. 5, 6, 7, go. If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want the spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry on top
By
Beanie.
By Enid.
Yes, thank you guys for
That was fun.
watching. Please don't forget to stream our latest single, Cherry on Top. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media accounts, Beanie_PH and Beanie Official on YouTube.
Thank you.
That is so good. That was fun. Um, bias ko talaga si Joanna at si Aya. They look really good and they look cute. Joanna's so funny. But Sheena is hilarious. And Maloy, pag nagtabi sila nako, ewan ko na lang. But anyways, that was so fun. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And until my next video, bye.